Well, Winnie, come here. Come here. Winnie, Winnie, Winnie. What baby? Poor baby. Go get him, Winnie. Come on, boys. Forget that neighbor's name. I think he has a dog, or maybe it's the next one down. I don't know, some older black lab, kind of like an old pepper, but like an actual lab, because I think he's like a hound mix. I don't know. But yeah, I just ran over. I was like, hopefully no dog fights, but everyone was chill. Don't want no puppies hurt, especially mine. I mean, if another dog comes and my dogs attack or defend themselves, I'm not gonna be mad at them. They should. Just like kids. Beat up the bullies, there won't be a bully.